Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. The Iraq 250 Fils 1981 coin and its market value in dollars. Now, let's dive right in. The Iraq 250 Fils coin from 1981 is a piece of numismatic history with its intricate design and cultural significance. Talk about the condition. But what exactly is its market value today? The value of any coin, including this one, heavily depends on its condition. A coin in good condition, like the one we have here, can fetch a higher price in the market. Inspecting the coin closely, we can see that the details are well preserved with minimal wear and tear. This is essential for collectors who are looking for coins in excellent condition. Now let's discuss the market value. To determine the value of the Iraq 250 Fils 1981 coin, we refer to various sources such as coin catalogs, online marketplaces, and auction results. As of our research, coins in similar condition to ours are selling for around $350 USD in the market. However, please note that prices can vary depending on factors such as demand, scarcity, and the overall condition of the coin. In conclusion, the Iraq 250 Fils 1981 coin, in good condition, holds a market value of approximately $5 to $10 USD. If you're a collector or investor, make sure to do thorough research and consider factors like condition and market trends before making any purchases. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.